Welcome to Microstation, and this is going to be the first week of classes that we're going to do. And Microstation, if we double click on it, V8i, and for my students, this is definitely very similar to what you've used in the past in other CAD systems, AutoCAD. Very similar, but there are some distinct differences in it too, and just want to make sure you don't get hung up on those differences. So the first thing you do when you open up this, it's trying to open an existing file, but I want to make a new one. So it's very important that you come over here and hit this button right here and hit new. And this, what I want to do is we're going to make three setups. We're going to do an architectural setup, we're going to do a mechanical setup, and we're going to do a civil setup. So I'm just going to type in architectural. I just write ARC for short. And I want to put this somewhere where I can find it really easily. So I want to go to desktop, and I'll make me a folder. Right click, new folder, and I'll just save this one as Microstation. Okay. Double click it, ARC, hit save, and there it is. Now I want to hit open now. Now when this opens up, you're going to notice a lot of similarities. Kind of it's set up very similar to the softwares you've used in the past. It's a really nice software, to be honest with you. But you just got to get over some of the things that you're accustomed to with other softwares, some of the differences. But it's really simple to do, and I want to first show you on your mouse, you have your wheel, and you can roll it back and forth to zoom in and out. You can smash the wheel down, and you can pan. You also have these tools up here that you can use for your view, and you just click on those, kind of toy around with them this week. But now we're going to go up here and we're going to set this thing up. So really, I just want you to just get familiar with the layout of this. So I want to come up here to settings, and I want to set this first one up in architectural, and I'll slide down, and you want to go to design file. In settings, design file, click on it, and I want to set this thing up for architectural. So you got different categories down through here. In my angular readout, decimal degrees is perfect. I just want to go 2 decimal places, be fine with that. And then the next thing, I want to go down here to working units, and you have format, master unit, subunits, and the master units I want to be in feet. So slide down here to feet, and the subunit I want is inches. And what you have to do is you have to go to format, and you've got to turn it on to master unit and subunit. What that does is it lets you use your master unit as feet and your subunit as inches. So it would be like if you had a wall that was 10 foot 6 inches, the master unit would be 10 foot, subunit would be 6 inches. If I took and just went to master unit, it would just follow feet. It wouldn't even look at the inches. It would say 10.5 feet. You see what I'm saying on that? So make sure that's on inches and change this one to this. And the accuracy, we'll go 2 places on that. Okay? So hit OK. Then File, Save. That one's set up and ready to go. You're ready to draw an architectural. The next one I want to do is I want to go to File, New. I want to start a new drawing, and I want to be in the same folder that I made a few minutes ago. I want to call this one Mechanical. Okay, just MECH, be fine. Save, and this time go back up to Settings, Design File, and we'll get this readout here. And you see what I'm saying? Degrees, decimal degrees. It's what I want. I don't want to go that many places. Let's go 3 places on that. Be in the thousandths. And I want to slide down here to working units, and I want to set this in just to master units, and I want to change it from meters to inches, and no subunit on this one. Accuracy, 3 decimal places, being the thousandths of an inch, and I hit OK on that, and this one's ready to draw in that mechanical style. So hit File, Save, and then I want to do me a civil setup. And basically all I have to do is I'm just going to type in civil, hit save, and I'll slide right back up here, go to settings again, design file, and master units, meters, millimeters. Master units, I want this one to be in feet, and my subunits I want to be in feet as well. I just want it to be decimal feet, so really I didn't have to change subunits because I just want master units. My angular readout, I want to use, I'll use bearings on this one. Okay, so I come down here, I change it to bearing, and I don't want decimal, I want degrees, minutes, seconds, so I change that up here, degrees, minutes, seconds. I don't want it going to the 10,000th place in my seconds, so I want to change that one up to this. I just want seconds, just like that. It's perfect. Now, this one's ready. Just hit File, Save, and minimize. Here is my Microstation folder, and you see that I have all those. I want you to take and just take and upload those to your Blackboard and send them in to me, and I'll check them out.